How to fix Battlefield 6 Portal Global Game Quota Exceeded Error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Battlefield 6 Portal Global Game Quota Exceeded Error. So if you can't join any matches and keep seeing this message, follow along step by step to get it fixed. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to your Windows search bar and type CMD. When you see command prompt, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes when the pop-up appears. This is really important so the commands work properly. Now that your command prompt is open, we're going to reset your internet connection. You'll find all the commands in the video description below, so just copy and paste them one by one. These commands will refresh your network settings, clear out old configurations, and fix any connection issues that might be causing the Battlefield 6 Portal error. And I'll explain what each one does. ipconfig/release. This command releases your current IP address. Think of it like telling your computer, I'm done with this connection, let's start fresh. ipconfig/flushdns. This clears your DNS cache. Sometimes your computer holds on to old addresses for websites or servers, which can cause connection problems. Flushing it helps fix that. ipconfig/renew. This asks your network to assign a new IP address. It's like getting a brand new ticket to access the internet. Netch int IP reset. This resets your TCP IP settings back to default. Basically, it fixes any configuration errors in your network setup. Netch winsock reset. This resets the Windows network stack, which handles all network communication. If there's a corruption or glitch here, this command fixes it. Once you've entered all the commands, restart your computer. This applies all the changes and completes the network reset. After your PC restarts, launch Battlefield 6 again and check if the Global Game Quota Exceeded error is gone. In most cases, this quick reset completely fixes the problem and gets you back in the game. And that's it. If this worked for you, drop a like and let me know in the comments. If you're still seeing an error, tell me exactly what message you're getting so I can help.